Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Greg King rode his brand new 2023 anniversary edition Road Glide up from Virginia to New Jersey to get an audio upgrade done on his bike. So he rode the bike up, then he flew back home to Virginia, gave us a week with the bike. We put it together for him. He flew back in, and then he rode the bike back home. We got to hang out for a little while, have lunch, talk. Really cool guy, super nice guy. I'm glad you got to hang out with some of my clients and listen to a few bikes at the shop and get some ideas. Really fun time. It was great having him. He opted for a stage 3 high power, so everything fit in the fairing. Amplifier wise, so we flashed the radio, HCAM Mini DSP, NVS Audio T harness, Sound Digital Evo X2 800.4, Sound Digital Evo X2 1600.1, Dubiee bass knob, lithium battery upgrade, Cicada CH in the fairing, Hertz 690 Neos in the lid, Hertz 200L mid bass drivers in the saddlebag. And of course, all oxygen-free copper wiring, quick disconnects for the saddlebags. Bike looks really good. Mint condition, super brand new bike. He takes great care of it. And now the audio matches. Check out the build.
I want to be the man that you want me to be.
After the party, it's the Waffle House. If you ever been here, you know what I'm talking about. Where people don't dance, all they do is yes. And after the original, you know what it is. Remix, it had to go down. I got something else to tell you about the new Motown. Where people don't visit, they move out here. And ain't no telling who you might see up in Lenox Square. I don't know about you, but I miss the Freaknik. Cause that's when my city used to be real sick. People from other cities used to drive for miles just to come and get a taste of this ATL. I'm the MVP, most ballin' player. Make my own moves, call me the mayor. Monday night, you know things change with time. Magic City back looking like 8 and 9. All the homies on the south side up in the Ritz.
Body. Yo, Dipset. Lil Weezy, Cash Money. Yo, Ma, let me holler. Let's do it. Ma, I've been hugging the block. That's right. Hustling rocks. I know I've been puffing a lot. But I know you wanna know, baby girl, you was under the night. My dick hard as a motherfucker. You don't what? Tell that shit to another sucker. I ain't no sucker, mama. Come on, fuck the drama. Kiss it, thing. Little macarama. I'm so active, you being so drastic. Got something for your face, fuck proactive. I'm a proactive, round the pro atlas. But I need to know, ma, you gon' suck it or not? Baby girl, I'm in love with the try. Missionary back shots, pop it off, rock it on. I tell you right now, if my cock is what I want, head before and after. What's that? Top it off. What? On your knees, show you how to top a door. Leg, suck, deep throat, stop, cool. Hop on, lollipop on. I know it's right, but here come the hot sauce. Ma, I've been hugging the block, that's right. Hustling, rise. I know, I've been pumping a lot. Nigga wanna know, baby girl, you gon' suck it or not? Looking like skin, mommy was tight slam. Fat ass, big tits, I noticed a nice chin. I approached her, slight grin, white Tim's number you can type in. Said she don't like me. I just laughed, Mom, if we late, we lame. You don't like none, me neither. What a coincidence. Miss Chiggy, Miss Piggy, Pinky me. Pinky ring blingin', Mom, you gon' suck it or not? I ain't the type to dish you, kinda like the issue. I like that. That's the situation. Bring wifey with you. Would you like a tissue? Why? You gon' need it for the cum in your nose, baby girl. Cause you sucking my cock. Ain't a question.
This girl is in danger. The way she moves on the dance floor. Mami, yo sé que soy un extraño. Y yo quiero que me des calor. Love how you move the lips, girl. Shaking it like a pro. Bring esa cinturita. TikTok, muévelos.
Thirsty to put me in beef, dissecting my
Take me to the king. I don't have much to bring. My heart's torn in pieces. It's my offering. Take me to the king. Truth is, I'm tired. Options are.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Greg took the trip up from Virginia to get the audio upgrade on his bike. Was it worth it?
Well worth it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.